Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram following and follower lists. Let's get started. In case you have or you wanna your followers or your following account don't wanna see by other people, other account that not yet following you or by stranger, you can switch your account privately by tap your account's a profile. Go to the settings and account privacy, switch this on. So only your followers will able to see your photo and video and so on. You can learn about this. When your account is public, your profile, blah blah blah. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photo or video on hashtag, location pages, and your followers and following list. So you have to pay attention about this. Your followers and following list cannot be seen by other people that didn't follow you. So there is no such thing that a if you already people that maybe in case your friend want to follow or see your follower and following, they still can see your list because they're already following you. There is no setting that your friend cannot see your cannot see your following on or followers list, or maybe uh, there is update soon or in the future when you can hide your follower and following list to your friend. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.